Hi everyone, having trouble with the Jotform signature field not working. Whether users can't sign, the signature box isn't responding, or signatures aren't being saved, I'll walk you through several easy fixes that can help. First, refresh the page or reopen the form. Temporary loading issues can sometimes prevent the signature field from working correctly. Next, try opening the form in another browser. Browser compatibility issues or extensions can occasionally interfere with the signature feature. If the problem continues, clear your browser's cache and cookies. Corrupted browsing data can cause form elements to behave unexpectedly. Now, open your form builder and review the signature field settings. Make sure the field hasn't been disabled or affected by any conditions or restrictions. You can also temporarily disable browser extensions. Ad blockers or privacy tools sometimes prevent interactive elements from functioning properly. If you're using the Jotform mobile app or an older browser version, check for updates. So, installing the latest version can resolve bugs affecting the signature field. If nothing else works, remove the existing signature field and add a new one. Sometimes, recreating the field fixes configuration problems and restores normal functionality, and that's pretty much it. One of these solutions should help fix the Jotform signature field issue. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more quick tutorials for additional tips.